May background. So, isa yung background ko. Hello everyone, working this afternoon. Wow. It's your work. Working what? Or is it this one? Yeah, I'm here at home. It's gloomy afternoon. 2:52 na pala. PM na. Ang bilis ng oras. Wait lang guys ha, kasi may anuhin lang ako. Judson Oliveira, yeah. Shout out. Shout out. Do you mean pipi? Pipi. Can make some food at my home. What do you like? What food? Anong food request mo? Lumpia. Charge. Nawala kasi binunot yung charger ko. El Locochon. Shout out. Shout out to you. What food? I want to prepare like mukbang. I don't know, but I bet you can cook Asian. Have good spices. Yeah, I can prepare. I like to prepare seafoods like mukbang foods, and then eating together. Stay forward, Kappa. Hi, shout out. Hello sa itim viewers, guys. Ang background ko eh. So, isus yung background. Vinegar. I love seafoods. Yeah. It's very masarap. Masarap. Yeah, masarap. Ano ba nagko-comment dito? Foreigner ba kayo guys? Or Filipino? Ko alam kung ano kayo, kung Filipino ba or foreigner, where are you from? This afternoon is windy na mayroong gloomy afternoon. Tahimik. Kanina mainit siya. Sarap ang seafoods. Ask questions. Ask